Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. So this is really good if you guys want to organize your stuff. So let me just open it up for you. And here we go. This is everything we get within it. So it does have a zipper. Yeah, from the inside we can go ahead and close it up. There we go. So that's how it looks like. Here's the bottom, so that's the little guy. Now let's keep moving. This is the next one. Now they all have zippers, so that's how they close up. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna close this zipper up. And here we go. That's my next box. And here's everything. So it's actually way bigger than I thought. Obviously you don't need to place these inside. That's just what I did to organize things right now. But technically what we're getting are two big ones, two of the same here, and then two squared ones as well. So that's all we get inside here. Are they flimsy? Are they good? Well, they feel okay. So I wouldn't expect this to hold too much weight. It is just fabric in the end of the day. But for this to put inside a drawer and just organize your stuff in there, it's perfect. The inside looks just okay. I'm not a fan of the zipper, but once we get stuff in there, we wouldn't really see that. Now around each one, it's just fabric. I can feel that maybe inside it's cardboard or something like that, and just fabric all the way around. But anyways, that would be it for this unboxing. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.